If you want a hosting platform that can actually grow your website, stick around. I'll show you trusted hosting option plus coupon code that can really save your money. Hi, I am Dia Makwana from BloggersPassion team. Today we are talking about Cloudways hosting. Cloudways is managed cloud hosting platform. Instead of sharing a server with hundreds of random websites like basic hosting does, your websites run on its own private cloud server. Manage means Cloudways handles the technical setup for you, like security and performance. So you don't need any coding knowledge. It's a great choice once your website starts getting real traffic and needs better speed. Now let's talk about the discount. The biggest deal gives you 40% off for the first 4 months and it applies automatically through the link. There is also 30% off deal for 3 months using a promo code, or you can choose $20 in free credit added to your account instant. Smaller deals like 20% off and 10% off are also available. Just remember, these are only for few new customers and you can use only one coupon at a time. Plans start from $14 a month and go up to depending on how much power your website needs. Before paying anything, you get a 3 days trial, no credit card required. Here's how to activate your coupon in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Open the Cloudways website using the link given in the description. If you are using the 40% off deal, it applies automatically. Step 2. Click sign up and create your free account. Step 3. Verify your account, then set up your server by choosing your cloud provider and server location. Step 4. Once your free trials end, add your card details to continue. Your discount or free credits will already be applied automatically. Along with this saving, you also get fast performance, free migration, free SSL certificate, and 24 hours live chat support. If you are ready for better speed and more control, the coupon code link is given in the description. If this video helped you, please subscribe to BloggersPassion YouTube channel for more honest hosting reviews and coupon code. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.